करीम अम्माबाद फ़ाउज़ बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कहते हैं ना, रिश्ता खून तोड़ डाला, सच का मजमून भी तोड़ डाला। रिश्ता खून तोड़ डाला, सच का मजमून भी तोड़ डाला। आज यह देशभक्त बनता, लेकिन लोगों ने कानून को ही तोड़ डाला।
माशाअल्लाह।
Good morning everyone present. Today I am talking about corruption in India. India is a hug and beautiful country, but the corruption that exists that tarnishes both its beauty and its reputation as a great country. Corruption occurs almost everywhere, and the number of corruption people goes up every day. Money and power are taken over to the point where as the average person needs to assistance from the government or business world that to most ultimately choose the corrupt path. Although there are many talks about morals, money really does rule behind closed doors. One needs to know the back doors and pay a lot of money, get things and done for things and happen. Politicians use their positions of authority and financial resources to exert influence across all areas, making it impossible for even most talented and effective individuals thrive or even be hired. As a result, in this setting, labor efficiency is lackluster, character changes to suit and the needs of ruling class. Beginning at the highest levels and spread down the lowest levels as well, the extent of corruption is risen to the point it has become extremely difficult for common man or business world. Due to the highly corrupt people who just do anything for money. This must stop and we must reach a point with pride that they live country free of corruption. मैं अपनी वाणी को इन चंद शब्दों से विराम देता हूँ कि जो नजर से गुजर जाया करते हैं वो सितारे अक्सर टूट जाया करते हैं, कि जो नजर से गुजर जाया करते हैं वो सितारे अक्सर टूट जाया करते हैं। कुछ लोग दर्द बयां होने नहीं देते, बस चुपचाप बिखर जाया करते हैं। अस्सलाम